Just can't wait.
Yeah, people, you don't know how early now. RVM, Reggae Vibes Media. So we're there with that one, yeah. All Alkaline fans, big up on yourselves. You know what I mean? Alkaline are one of them youth, they were controversial over the years. They did the music on a different level and, you know, from yard and abroad, back and forth and things in. But right now, Alkaline are bring a new wave to the Caribbean. You know, prior to my information and prior to when I hear the artists, I got to perform at one of them national park there. That's what I say. You know, I'm going to grace the stage with some great acts. Zin, so, Alkaline, yeah, you, I like how you take time break the scene. You know what I mean? And I touch back in. Yes, it. Yes, man. So, yeah, the artists got there, Fairly Ill National Park. Yeah. And you don't know the event name Reggae on the Hill. So Reggae on the Hill for yard man, but Reggae on the Hill. You see me and say? Yeah, festival. So you don't know him have a grace the stage with man like Turbulence, you know, Anthony B, Joshy. You know what I mean? To name a few. And I can name more too. Zane, but yeah man, it's an event where the ones them can look out for a live stream over there. You don't know. Reggae Vibes Media, they have to give it to you and bring it to you. You know what I mean? Yeah, anything we have to do with reggae dancehall, yeah, RVM. And do remember that youth here, J Shepherd. What I say? J Shepherd, go get it. That song there, you don't need to check it out, you don't need to stream it, you don't need to like, comment, and share the song. Zane, yeah man, I remember submit tune over here. So if you want to get your thing them out there as a producer, artist, yeah, Reggae Vibes Media there to help you with that something there too. So, if for the first time also here, subscribe, you can hit the notification bell. Bang, bang, bang. To get the RVM notifications, them, Reggae Vibes Media, the world media. Yeah, people, you know, it's a 3-day festival. Yeah? So it's going to feature people like Spragga Benz. You know, we don't mention Anthony B from up this already. You see me, I say Christopher Martin, the next great singer we got there too also. You see me, I say Turbulence. Remember, say Black and Proud go on in February, you know, so Anthony B them ready, you know. You see me, I say them ready up. Yeah, man, Black and Proud did shut over Arma Zero over this over one part. So, people, yeah, the festival you up in the hill, over in National Park over there, so Alkaline, big up yourself, fam. Yeah, love how you do the thing. Zane, I'm going to some positive music. You see the type of artist them when I put him up on the stage with? Yeah. So the type of vibration I got different. So now look out for that one them up here. Yeah, you know it's your boy Gryzzly here, and I'm out.